Hi guys, Dr. Michelle here to give you a little tease on this chocolate yummy delight. I'm going to be sharing the recipe with you in the kitchen soon and show you some extra embellishments for this. So if you crave chocolate like I do, this is like a flat double chocolate cookie delight. Half of it has oats and dried coconut. The other just has sprinkles. So I'll be going into all the details of the ingredients and coming into the kitchen with you. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell, and give it a thumbs up. Okay, I'm going to dive in. I also made my other cinnamon maple toast delight with some blueberry cookies, and I'll be sharing these really soon. All vegan, very healthy, low calorie, and I'll see you soon. Yum yum!